lamb meatballs with aromatic spices, because that's all I have. If you don't have any lamb, this is gonna work with beef, it's going to work with turkey, chicken, or pork as well. We have about a little over a pound of ground lamb here on the cutting board. We have kale, green olives, onions, and raisins, and just one little sad clove of garlic that was left in the fridge. I'm just gonna smash the garlic. I'm gonna just chop that up. And this is how you're gonna make meatballs, really any style. We're gonna start by cooking all of these aromatics low and slow. This is sweating. I'm gonna turn this down pretty low right here. I'm also going to add some spices. We have some granulated garlic, cracked black pepper, some thyme, coriander. A sort of a secret ingredient is cinnamon. Just a pinch right there. And that's gonna give this dish a little je ne sais quoi. And I'm gonna add this to our meatball seasoning as well. A little bit of salt. And we wanna season as we go. Get in there, camera 2. By the way, camera 2 is Jasmine Blais. What's up, Jasmine Blais? She's a producer today. She's a camera op. She's everything. Lamb can be a little gamey, and the raisins are gonna be a nice sweetness to sort of counteract the savoriness of the lamb. We want this mixture now to chill, which is very important, right? Not just chill, like hang out, but actually pop into the refrigerator for a couple of minutes. For a little bit of food safety, that we're not cooking the lamb, we're not changing the temperature of the ground meat, while the hot mixture of the vegetables goes into the cold meat. Okay, so there we go. Now I have this chilled mixture, and that's gonna go right into our ground lamb here. Little bit of salt. You wanna be mindful not to over mix. You don't wanna turn it into a paste. Here we go. Slap them around a little bit, and you can see that's a nice looking meatball right there. So I'm actually going to pop these back in the fridge after I roll them out. You could do this overnight. This could just be for 30 minutes. It could be for an hour, because as the meatballs now are in their spherical form, they will hold their shape a little bit better. I'm gonna wash my hands, put these meatballs in the fridge for a couple minutes, then we're gonna cook these meatballs. Toss these little guys around. So there we go. I'm gonna turn the flame off. You can see right here, meatballs nice and brown and steamy. I'm gonna pop this in the oven for maybe 15 minutes, 350 to 400 degrees. Okay, let's make our mint yogurt sauce. If you're at home, you can make it with yogurt. I'm gonna make it with this kefir right here. Look, it's thick like yogurt, you can see it. And a little bit of avocado mayonnaise. Regular mayo will be fine. This is a clutch tip right here. This is dried mint, is really what is gonna set this off. A little bit of onion powder, a little bit of garlic powder. I have a little bit of dill, the only fresh herb I have in the fridge right now. That's gonna be our sauce. I'm just gonna plate this. I'll add a little bit of the chopped dill, a little bit of sumac. Sumac has got like a tart berry flavor to it. And there we go, lunch at the Blais household. This is lamb meatballs with a kefir mint sauce. Here you go, Rachel.